Want to know how to raise your credit score? Watch this video and give me a call.
Hey, this is Chris the Mortgage Pro. This video is going to talk about 3 ways to raise your FICO score by getting more credit. You know, I've been doing loans for 27 years, and one of the top questions that come to me almost every day is about credit. Chris, how do I raise my FICO score? Because there's a lot of people sitting there in the 550 to 600 range, and they don't understand how to get to 700, 750. Well, here is the simplest trick, the simplest tool. The number one reason why people have low FICO scores, believe it or not, it's not that they didn't pay their bills or have bad credit. It's that they don't have enough credit. So, simple example. You should have 3 to 4 credit cards for every 1 installment loan you have. Car loan, installment loan. You should have 3 to 4 credit cards. Now, people all the time say, well, I just don't believe in credit. Well, I guess you don't believe in buying a house. You need a good FICO